Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about how a great way that you can add lighting to your bedroom that will clear off your nightstand. So as you can see, they have added these fabulous sconces up at the top, and I love this look because it's different and it looks so custom and unique, but it also frees up your nightstand so you have room to decorate or have different things here, like if you read or whatever at night. But I totally love this look, it's different, and so basically what you would do is just get an electrician to put a wire drop there and then attach your scones, and then there you go. You have automatic, great intimate lighting. It looks different, it's unique, and super simple to do. You can find pendant lighting anywhere on like Amazon or Wayfair or those kind of things. So they have different styles. These are obviously chunkier and bigger, so they make a great statement, which I happen to love, but they also have some that are like more dainty. I've seen people hang it this way. I've seen people hang them from here in the wall and they come out. That's also really cute. Really just depends on the look that you're going for, but this is a great way to customize your lighting in your bedroom, and it looks fabulous and very inexpensive. That's Fancy Fridays for today. Hope everyone's living just fancy.